In India, we live like around 15 to 20% of the people are affording everything, but there is a lot more people who are left out. And it's shame to us to say that we are still not able to serve current or electricity to say around 30% of our population. And neither of them also understood that they need to do something and get out of the darkness. So I had been hunting on ideas. There came the idea of that's high-rise buildings to avoid the impact of earthquake. There's a technique called AMD, active mass damper. They put a huge weight on the top of the building which moves to absorb the impact. So if that works, why not the same device on the tidal wave? When the impact happens, this mass can absorb the wave, isn't it? And convert it into some form of energy. So that's where the start happened. Just looking at now as a blue wave clean energy tech startup, which will concentrate on all these possible energy voids. So as not only as tidal waves, we are also looking in urban scenario. So coming on to this and to Workbench, you see similar people group. That I think is very, very important. For you to become a kid, you have to be just that. You have to just go to their level. I think that is the place, that this place gives you that. As designers, we have designed a lot of collaborative spaces. But I am now living in a collaborative space. This is exactly that. You crack your thought, you debate it around. The one more hand is that you got to do things. That's where it helps. Completely done here. But still, I think we are evolving. So I had to do something outsourced, and again discuss, debate on it. Design is a long process. So you need to enjoy that process, and this place gives you that kind of an ambience.